Hi everyone, my name is Lily. I apologize in advance for the inconvenience. I submitted my presentation last night. Some reason it didn't come out enough clear, so I wasn't sure how it happened. So I maximize the text. I hope it's gonna work this time. I'm gonna talk today about marketing management, evaluation, and control. It's in our textbook, chapter 20. The question I choose is number 4. Assume that you have been hired as a consultant by a hospitality and travel organization to improve the effectiveness of its marketing effort. Explain the procedure you would recommend for using the 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system. Make specific suggestions on how the organization should control and evaluate marketing. Describe the benefits the organization can expect from implementing your recommendation. The key point I want to go over today will be marketing in the hospitality and travel industry, hospitality and travel marketing system, and the 5-step, marketing control and marketing evaluation, benefit of marketing evaluation control, benefit of consultant in the marketing. I would like to start with marketing. As we all know, marketing has a huge impact in the business industry. There is nothing can be succeed without a great marketing plan. I'm gonna talk about the definition, why it's important in the industry, the role of marketing, and type of marketing. Marketing is the action or business of promoting and selling products or service, including marketing research and advertising. It is the process for getting company's product or service out to consumer. Why marketing is important in the industry is because I think marketing strategy play a key role in building a brand, attract new customers, and maintaining loyalty. It helps developing products and service in the industry that meet the needs of its target market. It helps the customer to understand why the product and service is better than or different from the competition. There is some company who offer the same product, so marketing will help the customer to recognize which company to go with. So technically, marketing helps the company as well as the customers. Role of marketing are establishing relationship between customers and the organization, offer to the market, ensure the brand awareness exists, recognize what factor makes customers choose a specific hospitality service. There are 2 types of marketing, short-term marketing plan and long-term marketing plan. Short-term marketing plan is 2 years or less. Long-term marketing plan is 3 to 5 years or more. Next, hospitality and travel marketing system. I'm going to talk about the 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system and fundamental of marketing. The 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system, fundamental of hospitality and travel marketing system, and the benefits. The 5-step hospitality and travel marketing systems are planning and research, analysis and strategy, implementation, control, and evaluation. These are very important for the industry because they all goes hand in hand. So the company cannot be succeed or reach their goal without those steps. So it's very important for the company to add on their marketing plans. Fundamental of hospitality and travel marketing system, strategic marketing planning, marketing orientation, service marketing different, understanding customer behavior. Benefits, priority on planning, results in a logical flow of effort, creates a better balance of marketing activities. Next, explain the procedure you would recommend for using the 5-step hospitality and travel marketing system. As a consultant, I would highly recommend the company to identify the marketing problem and list the possible solution. Define the purpose of their marketing research. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of their competitor, and list their marketing goals. In addition, I would recommend list their targeting market, know their customer expectation, set a goal to reach their objectives, and eliminate ineffective strategy. I also would recommend that examine whether the planned results are being achieved or not, and check for checking in sale. All the company work hard to make a good money at the end of the day. So that's the key point, having a good strategy with the marketing, all that. So it's very important the company keep eye on changing in their sale to see all the progresses work. Next, marketing control and marketing evaluation. Marketing control is the process of monitoring the proposed plan as they proceed and adjusting where necessary, while marketing evaluation is the process of determining the effectiveness of given strategy in achieving the organizational objectives and taking corrective action whenever required. Make specific suggestions on how the organization should control and evaluate marketing. I would suggest that the company have annual plan control that ensure company achieves sales, profit, and other goals in annual plan. Use profitable control, measure profitability of products, target segments, etc. Efficiency control, improve efficiency of marketing, advertising, sales, promotions, and more. Strategy control, reassess its strategy with a good marketing audit. So these are a type of control I would suggest that the company may need to use in order to become successful. Describe the benefits the organization can expect from implementing your recommendation. I think the benefit that the organization will gain from implementing recommendation marketing strategy would be that improving brand awareness, educating customers and prospective about product benefits, and raising its sales and profits. I have few slides I want to go over with the benefit of consultant in the hospitality industry. Consultant is a person who provides expert advice professionally in a particular area such as marketing, financing, management, and more. Qualification would be a minimum of a bachelor degree with a major in accounting, business, financing, marketing, hotel or restaurant management, or any similar area. Consultant has to be the person who have enough knowledge about the industry and somebody who has enough experience the hospitality and travel industry. Primary role of consultant in the industry is assist the organization with certain area of its inclusive work, achieving customer satisfaction and customer loyalty, raising the level of organizational performance and achievement, enlarge the company's customer base and market segment. Again, going over time, so I'm just gonna conclude. I attached some referral here that you guys can get more detailed information, and thank you so much for watching my presentation, and thank you in advance for your comment. So again, it was great to spend this semester with you all, and have a great day. Thank you.